Okay, now let us see question number 7 of exercise 7.1. AP is a line segment, AB is a line segment, and B is its midpoint. This B is the midpoint of this line segment AP, which means that this part and this part are equal in length. D and E are points on the same side of AB. D and E are points on the same side of AB, which means that this D and E are points that lies on the upside of this, above this line AB, such that angle BAD, this angle is equal to angle ABE, this angle, and angle EPA, which means this angle, is equal to angle DPB, this angle. So this and this are equal, this and these are equal. Now what we have to show here is triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Here I have separated the two triangles like this. So as you can see here, this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. Now the second thing that we have to prove here is AD is equal to BE. Okay, now let us try to prove this. Before we start the solution, let us first check whether we can prove that these two triangles are congruent with the given condition. Okay, according to questions, in these two triangles, these angles and these angles are equal, which means here in this two different triangle, this angle and this angle are equal, and also B being the midpoint, I have already mentioned here, this and this are equal, which means here when we separate the two triangles, we can see clearly here these sides and these sides are equal. So right now what we have is these two angles are equal, this and this side and this side. Now another point which is given here is this angle is equal to this angle. Now this angle is this one and the second one is this. Now as you see here, this angle does not belongs to any of this triangle. See, angle EPA, this does not belongs to any of the triangle, and moreover this also does not belongs to any of the triangle. Now what we can do here is we will add this middle angle to this angle. So if these two angles are added, then we will be getting this angle, which becomes an angle for this triangle. So this one, and again in the same way we add this angle to this angle, then this result, which is this angle, it becomes a part of this other angle. So when we have this and this are equal, we can apply angle side angle, and we can finally say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so we have angle, this one and this one, EPA is equal to angle DPP, which is from the question. Now like I said, we are going to add this part to both these angles. Now angle EPA plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPP plus angle EBD, adding angle EPD on both sides. Now when we add these two angles, that means this angle and this angle, these two small parts, when added we will get this big one, which is nothing but angle APD is equal to, similarly this and this added together, we get this big angle. So angle BPE. Now we can compare this two triangles. We can compare and see what parts are equal now. Now in triangle DAP and triangle EPP, let's say this one, angle APD is equal to angle PPE as shown above. And then AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PP. This is B being the midpoint of AB, and also this angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B, since it is already given in the question, which is the first condition which is given in the question here. So now what we have got just now is this angle and this angle are equal, this side and this side are equal, and this are equal. So now we can apply angle side angle congruence rule here. Therefore triangle DAB is congruent to triangle EPP. This is by angle side angle rule. Now this is the proof of the first one. Now this second proof, AD is equal to BE. This is nothing but this will be followed from this proof of the first one. Now these two triangles are congruent. Now since the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts are equal. So now we can say that this AD and BE are equal because they are corresponding parts of the congruence triangle. So here AD is equal to BE. CPCT.